She's laughing at her. You laughing at her? Is she funny? Where are you going? Trying to eat her heart? Aww.
That is one laughing Lily. And a very grumpy Gwen.
Gwen, why are you so grumpy?
And look, there's a Liam down here, just chillin'.
Where are you going?
Hey, Liam. How's it going, Liam?
Lily never laughs like this. Honey, we're not even doing it today. Gwen's funny.
Funny looking, maybe.
It's another girl. Oh yeah, no, we have to show this to David. Oh my goodness. It's making Gwen smile a little bit.
What's Gwen's response to this?
She thinks you're funny. You silly girl. Whoa. You silly girl. Who is that? That's still going on my face. Oh, there you go.
Oh, sitting Gwen.
You think that's so funny? You want to sit down? Oh, you're making me laugh. You're making me cry. Who is that, silly girl? That's not my brother. It's not my brother. She's smiling at me. You don't want to smile at Lily? I don't like babies. You're so silly. Silly Lily. Is that all the laugh you have? Oh, that's cute. You never laugh.